How to be more productive? Less productivity has been one of the biggest challenges. We all are searching for some tips to become more productive. Making some simple adjustments to your workday schedule creates possibilities to see an incremental boost in your productivity. Let's understand the 7 effective tips that can enhance our productivity. Number 1. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking at the same time rarely produces the best results. So, try just one task at a time. Number 2. Take regular breaks. Short breaks allow you to recharge, clear your mind and get ready for the next task. Number 3. Focus on your biggest tasks first. By taking on your most difficult projects first, you can increase your motivation and focus for the rest of the day. Consider prioritizing these bigger tasks first in the day or when you feel most productive. Number 4. Set small goals. Small goals keep the momentum going. Big ones can drain your energy. Number 5. Time block your schedule. When you create a task list, fix a time against each task. Number 6. Reduce interruptions. Any kind of interruption, digital, natural or by colleagues/family/friends, won't let you become productive. Minimize it as much as you can. Number 7. Identify when you're most productive. Maybe a few of us feels more productive in the evening or maybe in the morning. So, if you don't have any boundaries like a 9 to 5 job, you can finish your hardest task whenever you feel more productive. These are some of the key aspects of increasing productivity both in the workplace and in our day-to-day lives. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.